So Hank introduced us to Pinegrow, which I think is fantastic. It's a great way to visually lay out your pages. Just want to show how we can integrate that very easily into Lianja. Now, the first thing you have to understand is that Lianja already has Bootstrap and jQuery built in, so we don't need to carry the libraries over from Pinegrow because they're going to be pointing in the wrong direction. I happen to use a file that I call default bootstrap, and it sets up my path to my library, and it has bootstrap and jQuery all laid out already. All I need to do is start putting items into the body of my file. So I'm going to actually take this, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to come over here and create a new web view section. I'm going to call this pine.rsp. Now this is a JavaScript application, so I have to give it an RSP extension if I want it to be an RSP page. I'm just going to replace this with the code from my default, and when I come back in and display, you'll see there's nothing there. Alright, let's go to Pinegrow now. I'm going to go to a new page, and I'm just going to use a navbar example. I don't want the whole thing, I just want the top, so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to delete that section. Now, what I want is I actually want the whole container. So it's a little hard to do. If you come to the right over here and you click on container, that makes sure that you have the whole container selected. Really simple. If I go to action and I go to edit code, it's going to bring up all the code I need starting from that container. I just select the whole thing, I copy it, I go back into Lianja, and right where I have a space for my body, I'm going to put that container, and it's going to put all that nav bar and all that fun stuff in there. We're going to save that, and here we go, right back into Lianja. So here I've got my nav bar, it looks all nice and good. I'm going to put code in it next. Let's go ahead and save that. Let's preview it, make sure it comes up nice. Excellent. Alright, that's the first part. Second part, we're going to start putting code behind it. Alright, thanks.